Everyone, my name is Akash Ghagre, a third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. Today I am talking on a country Singapore, about map of Singapore. Singapore city state located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula about 85 miles north of the equator. It consists of the diamond shaped Singapore. About the flag of Singapore. The flag of Singapore was adopted in 1959, the year Singapore became self-governing within the British Empire. It remained the national flag upon the state's independence from Malaysia on 9th August 1965. About flag proportion of the flag is 2:3. Adopted 3rd December 1959. A flag, a horizontal bicolor of red and white charged in white in the canton with a crescent facing. Capital of the Singapore. Singapore itself is the capital of Singapore because Singapore is both a country and its capital, also referred to as the Lion City. It consists of 63 islands. Official language are English, Malay and Tamil. Currency of Singapore is Singapore dollar, introduced after independence in 1967. Famous dishes of Singapore. Hainanese chicken rice. It is a Southeast Asia dish of poached chicken and seasoned rice, served with a chili sauce and usually with cucumber garnish. The dish is chili crab. Seafood dish. Mud crab are commonly used as stir-fried in a semi-thick sweet and savory tomato and chili base sauce. Is laksa. Laksa is a spicy noodle soup popular in the Peranakan cuisine of Southeast Asia. Laksa is a dish that was born from actual intermarriage. Soup based on either rich or spicy curry. Next dish is char kway teow. Char kway teow is a popular Chinese inspired Asia. In Hokkien, char means stir fried and kway teow refers to the flat rice noodles. Hokkien prawn mee. This lip smacking noodle dish comprising yellow noodles and thick bihon has juicy prawns. It is served with sambal chili. Singapore is city of not just one island but 64 islands. Pointer, the first F1 night race is there in Singapore. There is always something to celebrate in Singapore. Festivals like Pongal Source, Chinese New Year, Thaipusam and Lantern Festival are celebrated in Singapore. Famous places of Singapore. Marina Bay Sands. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort fronting Marina Bay within the downtown core district of Singapore. Architected by Moshe Safdie. Garden by the Bay. The Garden by the Bay is an natural park spanning 100 hectares in the central region of Singapore itself. Next place is Sentosa Island. Sentosa Island is an island resort of Singapore southern coast. Tiger Balm Garden. Wah Par Villa, formerly known as the Tiger Balm Garden, is an 8.5 hectare Asian cultural park, the last of its kind in the world, built in 1937 at Singapore. Is Singapore Flyer. Singapore Flyer is a giant observation wheel at downtown core which was